Hi everyone, it's a quick video how to install SuperAdvisorSorokin. So what you'll get the package. The package includes this 1, 2, 3 indicators and the robot and the template and the lease agreement. So the robot can work only with ingot broker. So there is a trading account, so specifically for your trading account, specifically for ingot broker. Otherwise it will not run. So how to install it? First of all, you have three indicators, so you have to put in a folder with indicators. So you have the best way to find where the indicator is located. Just click on the MetaTrader editor. You'll see the indicators folder and examples. So after we have on examples, click the right click button, open folder. So this is a folder for indicators, and now we put this and this indicator, copy. We have to copy in this folder the examples indicators, paste. I have already, but let's paste. Now that it's returning back to meta editor, and going to experts and advisor, and click here open folder, again the right button, and to here we have to put 4 files, 3 indicators and expert. We'll put here, copy, and again put copy paste, and I have it already, of course. And finally we have to put in the right location template. So back again to the meta editor, we close expert, we close indicators, choose profiles and choose templates. And templates, again it's on a folder, right button click, open folder, and remove this, and again click, copy, and paste, and of course it's good. So this is, we'll put all the folders in corrected locations. Now we run the now we open our MetaTrader 5.0, and we have to click the right button and choose the template. Template should be SuperAdvisorSorokin in a folder, and this is all the lines and indicators. And finally we have to insert expert, SuperAdvisorSorokin. So the expert inserted, all the parameters must be matched to the parameters of the lines here. Click OK, and now we have a trading control panel, your account number. It's 30 days the time for use, and it's a manual trade. If you click, this will be automatic trade, but before you click in, also you have to switch on it's algo trading on. And before we click in, watch the second video about how to trade. All the best, bye.